Hi everybody, Big Guy here. Welcome to Mike's Garage. Well, I had another traumatic experience the other day. I had to get tires. Now, I really try to take good care of the car, keep the tire pressure right. Let's go out to the driveway and I'll tell you what happened. Stay where you are. Okay, here we are out in the driveway. This is the right front tire. You can see the outside tread is pretty good. The inside tread is not bad. And there's the wear bar that goes straight across the middle. The tread is getting kind of thin. That's why the wear bar starts touching the ground. It won't pass inspection in the states that have inspection. And if you don't have inspection in your state, when this wear bar gets down that low, you really need to think about replacing the tires. The right size tire for the vehicle is important. This was a 235 by 65 by 18. We got to make sure that that matches the door sticker. The reason it wears so well is because you keep the right amount of air in the tires, 33. This is on the door. It tells you what size tires should be on the car and how much tire pressure they should have. So if you're not sure, you don't even have to look in your owner's manual. There should be a sticker on the door to tell you how it's going. The tires I looked for I found over at National Tire and Battery. These were on sale, buy 3, get 1 free. Here's the bill. I got a lot of extra charges with balancing and throw the tire away and all that disposal. These are the tires I put on the car. I just checked to make sure what I paid for I did get. They're the right size, has a nice deep tread. I'm very happy with that. You can see the inside and the outside tread is a little different, but it's still nice and deep. It's good for mud and snow. Way down deep in there is the wear bar. I'm going to watch for that. Hopefully I'll get another 45,000 out of these tires. So I do try to keep the tire pressure where it needs to be. So just keep an eye on that wear bar. All 4 tires were replaced at the same time, which is important with an all-wheel drive vehicle. The thing I was disappointed about is when you check the tire pressure, they got 37 on the right-hand side, 38 and a 36 on the left-hand side. That's wrong. I had to fix that. Okay, hope that was helpful. Like I say, I really don't like people working on my car. Sometimes you don't have a choice. They don't really take the time to do it right sometimes. National Tire and Battery is where I got that done. A little disappointed they didn't check the tire pressure, make sure it was right. But wasn't a big deal. I took care of it. I feel I got a fair price on the tires. A tire costs almost as much as a battery if you watch my earlier videos. So hope that was helpful. See you next time. Hey everybody, almost forgot. Hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers and ring the bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Be safe.